9 ways to get a girlfriend. Living a single life can be fun, but at a certain point, you might want to get a girlfriend. 1. Put on clothing that enhances your self-esteem. Pick up clothes that fit you well from your closet. Show off your personality or interests to demonstrate who you are. You'll feel better about yourself and be able to put your best foot forward as a result. 2. Maintaining proper hygiene will help you appear more appealing. Use deodorant, clean your teeth twice a day, and take a shower at least once every day. Make careful to wash your clothes as well. You'll look your best and demonstrate to girls that you take care of yourself by doing this. 3. Play around and pursue a pastime to make yourself seem intriguing. Make a list of your favorite activities and subject areas. Do then at least one enjoyable thing each day. This will make life more enjoyable for you and demonstrate to females your interest in other people. 4. Be at ease being by yourself so that you come across as confident. Making friends may be difficult if you come across as needy and desperate. Find ways to enjoy yourself while you are single. Enjoy your time with friends and spend time doing the activities you find interesting. Do not prioritize finding a relationship over everything else in your life. 5. Request introductions to girls from your pals. This is a typical way for people to meet each other, and it's probable that your friends know girls they could introduce you to. So that you can meet their female friends, ask your friends to plan outings for the whole group. 6. Participate in teams or clubs to meet girls at school. Find a fun-sounding after-school club to join, or try out for a team in a sport. To meet more people, go to club meetings, gatherings, or sporting events. To discover a future girlfriend, try to get friends with the girls you meet. 7. Participate in events to meet more women. Attend school-related events including plays, dances, and football games. Another choice is to meet women in neighborhood gatherings like concerts, festivals, or meetups. Try to strike up a conversation about the event with the girls you meet in order to become buddies. 8. Offer to assist a female friend. Offering to help a girl out can be a wonderful way to start a conversation. If a girl appears to be having difficulty with something, take note and help her. Introduce yourself and ask if she will speak to you if she accepts your assistance. 9. If you're at least 18 years old, try internet dating. Everyone is there for the same reason, which is one of the best things about online dating. Send messages to women who share your interests and strike up a conversation with them before inviting them out for coffee. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.